Hey everybody, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Nurse Leslie, the channel with life hacks and health advice for women. So ladies and men who could be watching this video, I hope you're all having a fantastic day. And also you guys, it's Wednesday, halfway to the week, almost weekend you guys, hold on just a few more days. So, without talking too much about the weekend coming, let me get into this week's topic. So this week's video is going to be about fitness and exercise. Now, so many questions around this topic, right? Where to start when you're a beginner? How do I get myself those sexy chiseled abs? And how do I get more flexible? Because sometimes I feel like a wooden plank. Well, no worries, because this week's video is going to be an interview with fitness instructor Val. Her channel name is Home Workout Health Hub, and it will be linked down in the description. So make sure you check out her channel, you guys. So, Val, thank you so much for being with me here today, and thank you so much for doing this interview with me and answering these tough questions.
Hi everybody, this is Val from the Home Workout Health Hub on YouTube. Thank you, Nurse Leslie, for giving me this amazing opportunity to be on your YouTube channel. You know that I'm one of your biggest fans, and I'm so glad we became friends. Let's get started with the questions.
So Val, the first question I got for you is, which exercise would be best for beginners?
What are a few good exercises to start off as a beginner? Walking. Everybody can walk. Everybody has a place to walk. Even if you live in an apartment, get out, get moving, walk a few blocks. The next time you go out, try to walk 3 blocks or 4 blocks. Have that 5-minute walk every day. Eventually you'll be walking 10 minutes. Build up that endurance, you'll be walking a 15-minute walk. You will increase your time and your distance, get those muscles moving, get that heart pumping. So walking would be my first recommendation for a beginner to start an exercise. Number 2, swimming. If you have access to a place to swim, swimming is great. Great cardio, easy on the joints, swimming. Another exercise I would recommend is a low impact workout. Low impact aerobics, low impact HIIT workouts, anything where you're not jumping, where you want to be easy on the joints. Low impact exercises would be a great way to get that heart moving. Any other exercises? Yes. We can show you a few exercises you can do at home with no equipment for toning up.
Nice. All right, Val, thank you so much. So the second question, what would be the benefits of stretching?
The benefits of stretching. There are so many great benefits to stretching. It will promote the circulation, get that fresh blood supply to the muscles. It will help you to feel better. You won't be as stiff if you stretch a little bit each day. Your muscles will thank you. It helps with your posture. It helps with your range of motion. Helps you to de-stress and calm down. And it also will reduce your risk of injury. So if you're going out for a walk or a run or going to the gym, you always want to make sure you stretch out before and after a workout. You won't be as sore if you do that.
All right. First question, how long should you be stretching for?
How long should you stretch? I would personally recommend stretching a muscle for 15 to 20 seconds. Hold the stretch, come out of it, go back into that same stretch, hold it for 15 to 20 more seconds, give it a break, and try it for a third time. So if you're new to exercise, stretching is very important. Going to stretch that, say you're stretching your calf muscle, going to give it a break, go to the next muscle group, stretch again, and maybe next time you do the same stretch, you'll be able to hold it a little bit longer. It takes time to get that flexibility. You may even be able to hold it for 20 to 25 seconds. Take that break, come back for 20 to 25 more seconds, and then go on to the next muscle. You never want to force a stretch. If it's very, very painful, you don't need to do that stretch as much. You need to just come out of it, hold it a little bit. Don't want to force a stretch. It will do more damage to you than help you. So as you go along with the stretching routine, you'll see in weeks to come, you'll be a little more flexible. You may even be able to hold that stretch for 45 to 60 seconds. So those are my recommendations with stretching. That's just my personal point of view. Everybody's body is different. Always listen to your body.
All right, so how many times a week should you actually be stretching?
How many times a week should you stretch? How often should you stretch? I would say 2 to 3 times a week. If you're a more active person, you want to stretch before and after every workout. To start off, I would hold those stretches for 15 to 20 seconds as we spoke about. Maybe you'll be able to hold them a little longer, but 2 to 3 times a week, maybe 4. You never want to force a stretch. If it's painful, it's not helping. It's not as beneficial to you. You want to go into the stretch, hold it where it feels comfortable. And as you progress, each time you do that same stretch, you may even be able to hold it longer, get a little bit further. So you want to start off maybe with your neck, stretching out the neck, getting all of the tension out of the neck. This is one of my favorite exercises, one of my favorite stretches, where I'm holding it and just pulling the arm down. And you can bring that chin toward the armpit and hold that stretch there. That's really great for the neck. And then the shoulders, want to stretch those shoulders out, can bring them up and around, can hold it up and hold it back, can bring the arms forward and bring the arms back. Those are a few things that will help to loosen up the muscles, and stretching down the trunk into the back, into the legs and the hips, and into the calves. So we want to try to keep those muscles not so tight, get all that anxiety and tension out of the body. Stretching is a great way to do that. How many times a week should you exercise? Starting off as a beginner, I would recommend 2 to 3 times a week. Try to do 10 minutes to 15 minutes at a time. Walking, biking, low impact workouts, stretching, small weights, resistance bands, anything that you feel you get enjoyment out of, you will be more likely to make it a habit and stick to it. Those are my recommendations for beginners. I just wanted to thank you once again for having me on your channel. It's been an honor. And I do have a lot of abdominal exercises on my channel. I have a 30-day workout. If you want to go ahead and do that, you check me out on Home Workout Health Hub on YouTube. Give it a try, do what you can, see if you like it. You never know. So thank you again. See you, Nurse Leslie, and thank you so much, everybody. Make it a great day.
All right, so that wraps up this interview. Val, thank you so much for being here with me today, and thank you so much for doing this interview with me. And yes, I would love to do another collaboration video with you for your channel. Can't wait to see you there. So ladies and the men watching this video, once again, thank you all from the bottom of my heart for being my subscribers, for always being here with me and supporting me on my journey on YouTube. So I hope this video can help you out, and I hope this video can give you some good tips and advice. Spread it out to everybody you know. Spread it out to all your sisters. Don't forget to visit Home Workout Health Hub down in the description. And also, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. And Nurse Leslie loves you, and Nurse Leslie always loves to visit and meet new family members to the Nurse Leslie channel. So, I hope you all have a terrific day, stay safe, enjoy the weekend coming, and I will see you in next week's video.